Hey man, what?
I already mentioned the same rule applies here, applies there, applies at all the courts.
So you guys gonna go around and do this everywhere? This guy, go ahead and tuck your tail, go.
I'm assigned here.
Go ahead and tuck your tail. This guy's a little chillon right here.
So I'm assigned here.
So you guys gonna do this? How many buildings you guys gonna do this to?
So we have family
the whole
law,
damn city?
Ain't nothing but against the party. Oh shit.
San Joaquin Valley Transparency. I'm here with San Joaquin Audits and Louis C. And we're at the Hall of Justice. What are you looking at?
Can't come in, sir.
What's that?
Tell me not to let you in. I'll call the deputy. Stand back outside. Can I call the deputy?
No, thank you. That's open to the public.
He told me that you stand outside too. Call the deputy.
You can't impede my movement, man.
No, this is not City Hall.
What place is this?
This is the criminal court building.
Criminal
City
court
Hall is right there, that brown building.
It's a criminal court building. Are you gonna call a deputy?
Yeah.
Do you have a name?
Huh?
Do you have a name?
Do I have a name? Yeah, Renee.
Renee? All right. So what they do is they block people from coming in. Hey Renee, can I ask you something real quick?
Now you gas these deputies.
Well, I'm not supposed to go in there with the camera, right? Well, you're not even supposed to be standing out there smoking.
Who said that?
It's against your policy. I'm just letting you know.
Stand out there and look at
You know.
No.
All right, hey, rules are for thee, not for me, or what?
Ask for the deputy.
Renee, the sign poster right there.
And you reek of cigarettes too. Not only did you just smoke one right now, but you reek of it.
Oh, she did?
Unprofessional.
What?
She was smoking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey man, what?
I already mentioned the same rule applies here, applies there, applies at all the courts.
So you guys gonna go around and do this everywhere? This guy, go ahead and tuck your tail, go.
I'm assigned here.
Go ahead and tuck your tail. This guy's a little chillon right here.
So I'm assigned here.
So you guys gonna do this? How many buildings you guys gonna do this to?
So we have family
the whole
law,
damn city?
We have HOJ, we have civil. So that's what we do.
I'm going to City Hall next.
Okay.
Are you guys gonna try to limit me in there?
I'm not assigned over there. Anything else?
You ready to finish hearing me? Go tuck your tail.
We're done.
Go find a pillow and lay your head and go cry.
Late afternoon.
Hey, you guys be better than that guy over there.
Renee was also smoking before.
Look at, they're all smug. They got a face like dogs.
That against the law?
Hey, your face looks like a dog. Like a fucking mad dog. His face looks like a fucking mad dog. Watch, I'm gonna show you guys a mad dog and put that on the video.
How do you think you get the info for Renee's supervisor? Because I have her on the video smoking.
I know. Just blasted her, they're all laughing.
Get her.
That's what they do, guys. They violate people's rights nonstop. Renee stinks, guys. Everybody that goes in there has to pass by Renee. You see, look. Everybody goes in there has to pass by Renee. She stinks. She a stinky one. Look. She's a stinky one. She's over there trying to violate my rights and shit.
Violating rights?
Yeah, she's all talking shit. Let me give you my card so you can see what we do before you run away.
Awesome.
You can't run away. You guys. Here you go.
Oh, shit. Hey, I do this shit too, man.
Yeah.
Keep it up.
Hey,
Hey,
start a
hey,
channel. Let me know.
you
should.
Hey, say.
You don't even know, man. I gotta follow it.
Hey,
bro.
say, subscribe San Joaquin.
Huh?
Say, subscribe San Joaquin.
What's that mean?
That's my channel name, San Joaquin.
Oh, San Joaquin?
Yeah, San Joaquin.
San Joaquin?
No, yeah, I do a cop watch.
San what?
Say, subscribe San Joaquin.
Subscribe Sam. I can't
Joaquin.
say-
Joaquin.
Joaquin.
Yeah. All right. You tried. Have a good one. You're welcome. Thank you.
By the way,
Don't fall.
Hey, where is Renee's supervisor?
I don't know.
I should call her out and be like, hey, are you allowed to smoke here?
Those guys are serial rights violators. How the fuck is that guy in two buildings at the same time? They clone these bastards or what?
They just go in the tunnel, the little cart.
Shut up. Get back in there, Stinky.
Apestosa.
What channel I'm gonna be on? Can't make this shit up. Damn, look at this shit, a fucking prison.
The criminal justice, justice hall.
Damn, what do we got over here? All right, guys, San Joaquin Valley Transparency here. Right here to the left, we have Nick from San Joaquin Audits. And over here to the right, we have Blue from Cannabis Talk 101. What we're doing here today is we're at the studio, actually, a huge studio. And we're going to have some production behind this new channel that we got going on. The new channel is going to be called Audit Talk 101. I'm going to go ahead and shut up. I'm going to let Blue introduce himself. And we're going to let Nikki talk a little bit about what we're going to be doing out here. And so without further ado, Blue, go ahead, take over, man.
What's up, guys? Blue right here. Audit Talk 101 is born. It's coming to you. Make sure you stay locked with us. We're going to have a lot of great content for you guys at home. Stay tuned.
So what we're going to be doing on Audit Talk 101 is basically start bringing the media to the auditing community. We're going to have long-form conversations with auditors and cop watchers, maybe bring them onto the show. We're also going to be breaking down videos and bringing the law and legal aspect as well as the entertainment aspect of it all and combining all of it. We should have videos coming out as soon as next week, so you guys be sure to stay tuned.
Stay with us, guys. Audit Talk 101. Here we come.